There's a pull line on the top of this tree. The climber's about to make the cut. Desired lay is towards the camera, but the piece goes over backwards, and unfortunately this groundie's about to learn a hard lesson. And God, did this man have some angels watching over him. I think apparently, the news is he only broke a wrist or something. He easily could have been killed from this. So what happened was, that rope, he probably wrapped it around his wrist, and when the force came on the rope, it locked down on itself on his arm and probably just about yanked it out of the socket. Sucked him right into the tree. And look, he makes it right through that hole without hitting anything. That is a small miracle right there. A little impact on the way back, hits the trunk on the way back, flips around, and is lucky to be alive. So there's lessons to be learned from these kinds of things. It's just good to train your groundies. The line I like to use is, never wrap the rope around any part of your body you don't want to lose. Don't have that rope wrapped around your waist. Don't wrap it around your forearm. Don't wrap it around your wrist. I don't even like the rope on the ground coiled behind me. I want that rope to the side or in front of me, because I actually have seen, when we were just doing a backyard speed line, a family affair, the Paul back line wrapped around this kid's ankle and lifted him right into the air. And it wasn't just the groundie that got injured. Take a look at the climber in this clip. That rope, when it comes over backwards, goes across that stub that's right above him, and at a certain point, that stub breaks. Wait for it. There it goes, and bang, he gets ratcheted backwards, slams his head into the tree. Well, let's watch it in full speed a few times. That's no fun. So, again, this man put himself and the groundie at risk by not making sure that tree was going to go the right way. That is just nasty. One other thing I'd like to point out is all the stubs he leaves on that top. Now, even if he doesn't have spikes on, he needs a branch or two to stand on. He doesn't need the stubs to be 3 feet long. He just needs little footholds. And what a hassle it's going to be to get that top down through those branches and get that cleaned up once it's on the ground. He should have just cut those stubs off to start with. All right, thanks for watching. I'm sure there's going to be plenty of comments here. It's great to learn from other people's mistakes, because as my cousin used to say, them ones is free.